and welcome to Vlogmas day 13. So it is already noon. I've ran a couple errands this morning, went to Macy's, picked up the rest of my boyfriend's Christmas presents, went to the grocery store, and now I'm here eating my breakfast. So I have soft-boiled eggs, spinach with some onion, sausage, and then toast with hummus. Super good. So I'm just gonna eat that, probably watch some YouTube, and see where the day takes me. Picking a video is literally one of the hardest things for me. Comment down below what you'd like to watch. I think I'm gonna watch Keisha Kaylee. Keisha Kaylee, if you know, you know. So I finished breakfast and sat outside. It feels so good today. It's like 60 something degrees. Sun is beaming. So I just sat outside, got some vitamin D. And right now I'm watching the girls in my gym compete. So I'm gonna be doing that for like all day probably. Chill Sunday, chill lazy Sunday. Oh, and I need to wash clothes. So many things to do, so little time. Okay, y'all, it's workout time. I just need to get back in shape. So stay tuned for the workout. Hopefully I'm sweating by the end because I need some high intensity interval training. Y'all, I'm gassed out. It's been 26 minutes. I think this is what I needed to really get back into shape. I don't have my normal stamina. I feel weak. I feel heavy. I'm just not feeling how I want to feel. So locked in, period, because I should not be feeling like this. I feel, I'm beat. So now I'm gonna just do some yoga to cool down. We are post-workout, post-yoga, post-dinner, and it's 7:15, and I'm feeling a lot better. I really think I need to just start incorporating working out back into my routine. I've gotten lazy with it, and it's really starting to affect just my overall, my aura, my energy, my vibe. So my vibe needs to be elevated, and I think in order to help with that, I need to start working out again. So right now, I think I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm going to do a little self-care spa Sunday. So I'm gonna take you guys along with that, what I do to just treat myself and treat up all these random little pimples that are on my face, because it's not cute. Christmas is in 12 days, and I want my skin to be popping. So I actually need to do a lot of stuff tomorrow. So I'm gonna make my to-do list right now. Then I'm gonna go hop in the shower, because I feel like then I'm gonna be as stressed tomorrow thinking about what I need to do. I'll just know what I need to do, wake up and do it. Okay, so we are here, fresh out of the shower for our nice little spa routine. My hands are ashy. I'm letting you know right now. I did not lotion my body yet because I like to do my face first, then my body. So disclaimer. So first we're just gonna start off with Thayer's Witch Hazel, and I'm literally almost out, but no worries because, out. I'm ready to go. Wait, I think there's a little thing on this. I hate these things when I have nails. We love a brand new Witch Hazel. So I come in with my toner just to get any of the excess dirt that I didn't get when I washed my face. For my cleanser, I use the Drunk Elephant. I'll put it on the screen because it's in my shower. The Drunk Elephant, it's like Best Day Cleaner or Beast Day, or I don't know how to say it. Beste. Make sure you get behind your ears. Whew. Okay, now that my face is nice and clean, I like to moisturize with some rose water. If you've seen my my get ready with me, my brunch get ready with me, if you haven't, watch it because I got cute that day. But I use a lot of the same products day and night, especially the witch hazel and the rose water. But then my other products I like to alternate and switch up. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned in my onesie, got my Cookie Monster onesie because we onesie gang out here. I just love onesies in the winter time. It just makes me feel nice and cozy, except for when you have to pee and you have to literally basically get naked. But story for another day. Okay, so for my moisturizer, I'm gonna be using this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydra Firm Sleeping Cream. But prior to doing this, I'm gonna use the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. So this is like a little pricey, not gonna lie. I think it's like 40, maybe 38, but a little goes a very long way. And it's an under eye cream. So I start off with this, and you just want to be very gentle. And of course I have a pimple right under my eye, so don't mind that. Okay, so after that, then I'll go in with my sleeping cream. And what I really like about this is it's very moisturizing. And it doesn't have like a harsh smell or anything. It has a very neutral smell. But I just love the amount of moisture that it gives me at night. I need a little bit more for my forehead. And I got this. I'll look on my Sephora like history, like my email, my confirmation, so I can figure it out. But I've been using a lot. So I've been using it almost every night since I got it. So sometime in the summer. So I definitely recommend this. Moving on, I'll use this Daily Glow Serum by Third Grace. I'll link it down below. Everything will be linked down below. Just to give me a nice glow, rejuvenate my skin. And I usually do like maybe 3-4 drops. I'll actually do 5. Then using my jade roller, I'll just roll that in. Okay, so once it's all in, any places where I feel like it's heavier, then I'll go in. Okay, so that looks good. So I do have like 5 pimples on my face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like so many. I don't know what's going on. So before I go to bed, go to bed, I'll put on this benzoyl peroxide. And it's literally just the Walmart brand. It's just a pimple cream. So I'll put this on before I go to bed, but I'm not gonna do it right now. So I normally would put on the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, but I'll do this after I brush my teeth. So I'm still gonna edit, and I'm gonna be up for a little bit longer. It's only 8 something. So I'm gonna be up for a little bit longer. So I'm just gonna use some Carmex for right now, just so my lips aren't dry. But at the end of the night, I'm gonna be, oh my gosh, using my go-to. So I want to moisturize my scalp because it's been like 5 days since I've oiled my scalp, and I usually like to oil it almost every day. So I'm just using the Do Guru Mega Thick Hair Oil, and I'm just gonna, oh, it already feels so good. Just gonna go through all of my parts and put some oil. Okay, now that my scalp is moisturized, we will get these edges going. Ooh, and for my edges, I like to use the Dr. Miracle's Temple and Nape Grow Balm Super. Talked about this a lot. Randomly found this just from my product overbuying tendencies. I found a very good product. So I just like to apply this to my edges just to strengthen, nourish, and restore. And you can use a little, you can use a lot, whatever you think based off your hair. And this stuff really helps my hair grow. And my problem areas are right here. So I like to make sure that I really get into those areas. Ooh, child, I'm feeling so good. All right, and that is my little night routine, my spa night routine. So when I really want to feel just rejuvenated, I'll do this routine. And this is probably like once a week, maybe twice a week. My normal nighttime routine, I just wouldn't do the oil, I wouldn't do the jade roller, and I probably wouldn't grease my scalp. It depends on the day. It depends on if my hair is itching and all that. I try to keep it simple. I know it might seem like a lot of products, but it's really not. Okay, so taste test. Whipped cream has sunk to the bottom, so I'm just gonna stir it in. I sprinkled a little cinnamon on top, as y'all saw. Tasty.